Yo, 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 we are out here live. 2 in the morning, 2:01 to be exact. Just cruising around the city. Just like always, I can't sleep. I always stay awake. That's why I take all this energy and cruise it instead. You know? I was in the gym, but still, I try to go to sleep. I was asleep for once, but then I'm awake again. Just have a lot of energy. This Kundalini rising up in me. Lots of it. And yeah, just have a lot of thoughts, and here I am, just 2 a.m. late night thoughts. And I was just thinking, long live the king. Long live the man who can tame his lower nature. Long live the man that is able to pray to God during the times of his struggle. When you learn how to pray, every frustrations that you have, you just pray. You talk to God. There's no other friend better than God. A mankind or a friend can just give you an advice, but it's coming from the human side type of advice. But God, when you pray to God during the time of semen retention, you tell him about your sexual frustration. You tell him about the women that tries to entice you and leaves you frustrated. The things that you worry about, the things you're scared of, the things that you fear, the things that bother you, the things that drains you, the things that take away your inner power. You unload all these weight that you're carrying to God through words by learning how to be vulnerable. If there's somebody that you can be vulnerable with, that you can trust fully, a human can fail you, but God will never. Yeah, you might be frustrated that you've been asking for these crazy things, right? But it never comes true. It's because maybe God is protecting you from something that you're wishing for. Maybe what you're wishing for is something that's actually going to harm you instead of help you. Instead, God shows you a way, a path that's actually much more beneficial. 100 times much more better than what you've been asking for. You ask for a mansion, he gives you a room that is highly elevated in a skyscraper. Yeah, it might not be a mansion, but he gives you a skyscraper. He gives you a top floor room in a skyscraper. You ask for a hot chick, he gives you a best friend that's going to be there for you during the times of struggle. A hot chick is just there temporarily, but a best friend is a best friend that will not leave you during the time of struggle. You ask for unlimited cash. He gives you unlimited health. Because health is wealth. Health is your true health. Health is your true wealth. With semen retention, you may not be full in your bank account, but your emotional bank account down there, you're actually fully loaded. You know what I mean? You've been saving up down there. The world wants you to withdraw. They want to get a taste of what you've been saving up. But you will not. This is an offering that you're giving to God. A sacred promise for him, for her. Whatever you classify God as. But God is a him. But God could be a her, which is Mother Nature. Nature is what we are all from. Pay respect to nature. And your human nature is to be great. Save your load, and you shall go farther in life. My friends, glow as a star as we are, and nature shall never fail you. Abide by its laws. Peace.